Greetings. Welcome to ExpoSim, world's most advanced virtual platform. My name is Batu and I will be taking you through all the features of the agent dashboard. As soon as you are added as an agent by the exhibitor, you will receive a mail with the login details. As soon as you log in, you can see the features on the left-hand side. Difference between stall analytics and booth with visitors. Stall analytics will show each and every action taken by the users. For example, if I click on visiting card, chat, and brochure, it will be shown over here, chat and brochure, whereas booth with visitors will only show the number of people visited at your booth. That is, it will count me as 1. From booth with visitors, you can also chat with the live users. Meeting Scheduler allows the visitors to have live personal meetings with the booth owner. They can schedule a meeting from the booth itself. Once the meeting is scheduled, the booth owner can see it in the meeting request column. If you wish to attend it, you can click on accept, and if not, you can click on deny. As soon as you click on accept, you can see it in the scheduled meeting column. When the meeting is started, you can join it. This is how the meeting scheduler looks. To check the live users at the booth, the agent can go on the Live Users tab. He can also communicate with the live user through chat. To have an audio-video call with the visitor, agent can go on the audio-video calling, click on the user chat, then click on the audio-video button from the top right. Once the visitor accepts the call, the meeting is started. There is also a common chat group and a support chat group for the agents. In the common chat group, they can communicate with all the attendees of the event. Whereas, in the support chat group, the agents of all the booths can communicate among themselves.